Sir Chester, ano pong masasabi niyo sa mga balak magnegosyo pero natatakot magsimula at mag-take ng risk?
Naintindihan ko yung mga nakakatakot magsimula ng negosyo. Totoo po yan. So, hindi po natin binabaliwala or tinatake aside. Kasi if you start a business, you have really chance of getting failed or malugi sa negosyo. But in starting a business with dropshipping business model, with Bilis Benta, may tinatawag na calculated risk. When you say calculated risk, kwentado mo ang pwede mong ilugi pag hindi nag-work yung dropshipping business model. And the good thing is, very minimal lang po siya compared to other industry or other businesses. Because dropshipping business model is a subscription-based business. It's just like sachet business. Okay, monthly mo pwede bayaran, and alam mo kung magkano lang yung ilalabas mo for the fees to avail the inventories para maibenta mo at saka yung service na ipofulfill ng mga dropshipping company like Bilis Benta sa mga orders mo. So let's say an example of a home blend category natin, which is one of our best catalog, okay? It's around 70,000 plus. You divide by 12 months, plus we give free 2 months or 14 months. Actually, it's just 6,000 pesos per month lang siya to start a business. And this is unlimited selling. So, ibig sabihin, pwede ka magbenta, bawiin mo lang yung 5,000 every month mo, and kikita ka na. Diba? So, you just have to learn how to sell on the platform. Okay. If you learn how to sell on the platform, naintindihan mo how the platform works, you'll be able to get sales, and eventually, every day, you'll be able to get sales. At palaki ang negosyo. So, if I were you, you ask yourself, you want to start or you don't want to start. If you don't start, wala ka na puntahan. If you start something and you look, and yung tinignan mo na yung dropshipping business model ng Bilis Benta, that it's a calculated risk, I welcome you to start because alam mo lang yung pwede mong malugi pag wala ka talagang ginawa. Okay? Pero pag alam mo na you're serious and you're really gonna work hard for it and you will really learn, okay? I don't see na hindi mo mababawi at hindi ko nakikita na hindi ka kikita. Dapat kikita.